Good day, everyone. So, today I will tell you a short description about what is a lawyer and why I choose this kind of course.
So, what is a lawyer? A lawyer is a professional who is qualified to offer advice about the law or represent someone in legal matters. A lawyer can also be called an attorney, a solicitor, a counselor, a barrister, or pejoratively, an ambulance chaser. Lawyers play a role in ensuring that justice is served by representing clients in court, advocating for legal reforms, and educating the public about their rights. They also play a role in shaping the law by lobbying for change to legislation. The legal profession is a vital part of the society. I chose this kind of career since as a student, I am politically aware of our society right now. What is going behind bars of the society. As a student, as part of the formal education, as stated in the 1987 Philippines Constitution, Article 14, Section 3, that all educational institutions should apply the standard constitution as part of the curricula. Since we are part of that curriculum, we are obliged to take into account this kind of global act. What inspires me the most is that I can tell how unfair our justice systems are. And I want to get in this matter. I'm also that kind of person who wants to understand how politics work and how it is navigated by politicians.
And that is all. Thank you for listening.